Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have essentials ready: Zapier account, your CRM credentials, and the lead source feed. First, choose a concrete trigger, for example, a new Google form response or a Facebook lead. Then immediately create a Zap. Select Trigger App and test the incoming sample so data fields map correctly. Once done, pick the CRM action and map name, email, and source fields. Make sure to include a unique identifier like email to prevent duplicates and save the Zap as draft. Now focus on accurate field mapping and intelligent filters. You'll map core fields and use Formatter to parse phone numbers or split full names. Add a filter so only qualified leads proceed. For instance, exclude entries with test emails or route by campaign parameter. If you need different flows, use paths to branch based on source or lead score, and add enrichment steps like Clearbit or Google Sheets lookups. This reduces noise and ensures each lead lands in the right pipeline. Finish by running an end-to-end test. Submit a real lead and confirm the CRM record, tags, and notifications function as expected. Then turn the Zap on and monitor Zap history closely for errors during the first 24-48 hours. If something breaks, check authentication tokens first and then field mappings. Most failures come from renamed fields or missing required values. Make sure to rerun the sample test after fixes and add an alert step so you're notified when runs fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.